Soil health is a topic that has gained a huge amount of traction in recent years, with industry becoming increasingly aware of how soil biology can affect the overall health and yield of crops. PT 16003, Navigating the Wealth of Soil Health Information and Identification of Opportunities, is one of the multiple levy-funded projects in the soil health space. After gathering existing scientific research, the project had two main activities: an extensive literature review to find any knowledge gaps, and creating resources for growers based on this research. John McPhee works at the Tasmanian Institute of Agriculture and worked as a researcher on the literature review team.
Basically, the project was about looking at aspects of soil health in relation to potato production. Soil health is critically important really for any crop. It's not just about whether or not you've got maybe disease organisms in the soil, which quite clearly can impact on potato yield, but it's also about your structure and the biology in the soil, how that interacts with water management, water retention, water infiltration, access to nutrients, and all of those things. So it's a very complicated area, soil health, because it spans across all of the chemical, physical and biological aspects of the soil and the plant interaction with it.
The resources produced by the project, including fact sheets and videos, give potato growers access to quality information in a single location.
There's a fact sheet has been produced on soil management for soil health in potatoes. It outlines some of the pretty broad basics of soil health management, and also has a listing of where people can find other information.
The project identified a number of key areas for the potato industry to focus on going forward, both for growers and any future research that may take place.
Some of those included looking at more localised factors, because obviously the potato industry is spread across the country. So looking at more localised factors around soil type and production systems. Some of it looking at what we call the soil microbiome, so the microbiology in the soil and how that interacts with the growth of the crop and other aspects in the soil. So there were a number, but they're just a couple that come to mind.
To learn more about the TIA's research, visit utas.edu.au/TIA. To learn more about its project researching soil health in potato production, visit the link in the video description. PT 16003 and InfoVeg TV are funded by Hort Innovation, using the Fresh Potato Research and Development Levy and contributions from the Australian Government. Hort Innovation is the grower-owned, not-for-profit research and development corporation for Australian horticulture.